Happy New Year, everyone. Happy 2022. I am so happy that I was blessed by God to see 2022. And I just wanted to just do a shout out to all my subscribers and all those who are yet to subscribe and everyone who may be watching this video. I wish you a blessed and more successful and prosperous 2022. Today, I am going to be showing you how I created this background. I will not necessarily be utilizing the accessories on there because these were just like, one of a kind, accessories that I had lying around that I was utilizing. But I will show you how I just created the background. So I shall see you in a few minutes and I will show you exactly how to get started. See you in a bit. Hello again, guys. Thank you so much for being here. So like I promised, I am actually going to be showing you how I created this background and what you would need to create that background, and pretty much that's it. So as far as decorating it and things like that, it's entirely up to you. I just, it's just about the background right now. So I actually took two pieces, a red and a black, because I know working with dark colors or, like a deep red or something like that, it might be hard to get it to stand out. So I decided to try it on both. Let's see how they come out. What you would need is, these are those little sponge brushes. To be honest, it's just a sponger. That's what it's called. I believe I got those at, I want to say Walmart, but this one is 1 1/4. In fact, these two are 1 1/4, and I think I just need one really. And this one is 3/4 inch. And if you have another size, that would also be helpful, but it's not required. The two is just fine. And white pigment ink. This one is a Ranger pigment ink pad, and this is what I'm going to be using. And of course, I also have some distress ink, which I will also be using with my applicators in order to get, the effect we have here. So let's go ahead and start with the black. So what I did, I actually used the white as a base for the card. So I just kind of, dabbed it here. And then I went ahead and just went like, just kind of sponge it on there. Now, depending on how much sponge you want, you can just go ahead and, just have a field day, sponge it on different parts. Just have fun with it. Nothing fancy. And I did off the page just a little bit. I'm going to do this one back because I wanted a little more. And what it does, what I find, it leaves this nice little, thicker section in the middle, which I like. That would give you the, I think it reminds me of some kind of a nice headlight. And then I like the fact that the ends are pretty much, like soft, if that makes sense. So I'm going to tap a little bit here again. And just, again, it's just having fun with it. No specific anything. Okay, and let's try doing the other one. This is like a primer to me, just having the white so it can take the color better. I didn't try to do the red. I wanted to see how it would go. So I'm kind of pressing a little harder for the red. Okay, so you can see I have this as well. Now I'm going to take the smaller one. I'm just going to grab some tissue because I have some tissue handy too, just to kind of rub some of this off. Now I'm going to use the smaller one. So I'm going to get this back and I'm just going to like tap it in between. I'm kind of going a little more aggressive with this one than the first one that I did. So, just that you can see the change. For some reason, I think I'm liking this one better. I'm not sure why, but let's see. Okay, so I have those. So as you can see, you have the mix. Let's go to the second one, and then I will show you what I did after in that way. So I'm kind of dabbing it a little hard so I can get the little, centered parts. with, you know, a little darker, and then the ends will be smooth. Once I did that, then I'm going to take, I'm trying it with this Ranger ink because the last time I used the Distress Oxide, but this time I'm going to try the Distress ink to see. I'm going to try the purple. Let's go with the black first. And with this one, you can just do it randomly. It's not anything, you know, that you have to really, you can just kind of lightly do it. It's just to give it a little light color on there. And you can use how many ever colors you want. And that's it, really. I'll get this one here. Okay, and let's do, this one is actually Wilted Violet. Let me see, I want one a little brighter, so I'm going to try, no, that's too close, because the whole idea is to get, you know, colors that would lift it, you know, a little bit. So when you actually have it, then you will see the colors. And just dab over the circle the same way you had it previously. No biggie. Okay, so far you see it's coming out with a little color. But you could try this anyhow you want. And let me know how it came out for you. Let's see. Get the edge. Okay, we'll leave this one here. We'll leave the pink. Let me see. I need something even brighter. Let's try a green. This one will be, hold on just a second. I'm going to try green on both. This one will be Lucky Clover. So I'm going to use that one. I'll use the Lucky Clover on the red one. And just give it a little pressure. Not too much, but just a little so you can get the color on it. And then we are going to get the smaller brush now, and then we're going to do any colors really. So far you can see, you know, it's coming out really nice. I did some extras on these because I wanted to go a little further. So now I'm going to use the little one, and let's see what else we can do. Let me try black for this one, because this is actually a few black spots. Let me see. Like I said, it's just doing that strategic points, just so you can get it in there. That's fine for that one. And I just use a piece of tissue just to get this out from here. Now I'm going to use some green, but at least you get the idea of how you can get those colors on. The colors are going to be subtle because with the sponger, it's not, it gives more of a soft background feel more than anything else. But at least there will be color in there. So basically that's your two options here for backgrounds. And you can decorate it however you want to. With this one, I had just done like bigger ones, and the colors are very subtle, so you really cannot see it in there. But yep, that's it. So if you have any other designs or other ways you can use the sponges to create backgrounds, then feel free to share that, and, you know, refer us to a video if you do have one, and at least I will be happy to see what ideas you have. But This is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and see you guys later.